Let me introduce you to TLC, the Lighthouse Connection, our online community/directory. TLC is accessible through our website, hanoverbeacon.org. Go to TLC, click on the Lighthouse Connection. This will take you to the login page. Some of you already have login credentials. If you've forgotten your username or password, we can reset that for you. Just request through the office. If you haven't logged on, you will have to request an account. Once you fill out the fields required, the office will receive a notice and you will receive a login activation request during business hours. You will then need to set up your username and password. We're going to log into TLC today using Joe Church. This brings you to the home page. If you like the idea of giving online, click on the icon that says Online Giving. If you'd like to find out what your spiritual gifts are, click on the icon that says Unwrap Your Gifts. If you'd like a prayer request added to the prayer chain, click the prayer icon. If you'd like to view the 2019 annual report, click this icon. TLC is a great tool when trying to connect with the groups that you're in or may become a part of. With TLC, you can create and update your own personal profile. To access your profile, in the upper right-hand corner, you will see either your initials or a photo, if we've put one in for you. Click that icon. This shows you all of your basic information. Please check all information to be sure we have it correct, and if not, we ask that you edit your profile by clicking the Edit Profile button. Completely fill out the first 3 blocks. Be sure to include your cell phone carrier, as we have the ability to text reminders. We use most of this information when doing searches for groups. For example, when doing a mass mailing to the women, we need the birth date, month, day, year, so we are targeting all women over the age of 18. This is just one of many examples. When you're finished, be sure to hit save. To add or change your profile picture, click the camera icon and upload an image. We encourage you to explore TLC and to let us know if you have any questions. There is so much more that TLC has to offer, which you will experience as you become more involved. We hope that you will invest some time to update your profile and truly connect to our online community. Thank you.